This is the Iron Trader. The bits just closed here at 2:30. That was about 7-8 minutes ago. So as usual, we are going to review crude oil and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude, daily chart. Now, if you watched my video this morning, we had an inside day, but wow, look at this big ass red candle, okay? Could not get to the 50-day SMA and just sold off hard right through the 21 and then right through the 8 SMA. Okay, so now let's look at our support levels here. So what we want to do is look at today's low. Okay, so you're looking at 68.93. Then we're going to look here. You're looking at 68.14. And then what we have here is you got 67.15 and then your retest at 66.80. Now, if that's lost, okay, then we have to come all the way back over here and look over here at 65.65. We look here at 64.36, and then your big retest here is 63.64. All right, now here on the upside, you really need to reclaim this, I mean ASAP, is this 8 SMA. This is going to be your resistant at 70.06. Your 21 SMA here, sitting here at 70.94. And then we do is we just look to the top of these candles. So you have 72.03, you have 72.38, you have 72.72, and then your big retest there is going to be 73.24, and you have your 100 SMA right above that at 74.49, and then your price channel sitting at 74.73. A close above, your big target is going to be 78.26, but we're not going to even worry about that right now. So, but right now, you just have basically sideways action. You are trading inside these price channels here. And I think it has a lot to do with the Fed meeting yesterday. And they paused, but I still think they're going to raise 2 more times. So expect at least another quarter point next time and another quarter point before they're all said and done here. So they're trying to keep this economy down, and it's affecting oil in a big way if you're long. Now, however, today was a really good scalping day for on SCO. That was the crude oil short. Okay, so that really worked out really good. Okay, so just watch those key SMAs here, 8 SMA, your 21 SMA here on your upside, and your 50 SMA, and then on the downside, just watch the bottom of these candles, and then your big retest there at 66.80. All right, let's take a look here on your weekly and monthly. All right. Your weekly or monthly, yeah, right here. Okay, so here we have is your monthly chart. All right, so what we have here is 66.06 on the bottom, okay, which you're basically you're holding, and then on the top here, you're looking for this price channel, which is basically going to be 72.73. That's your 200 SMA. So right now you're just bouncing right between them. If you go higher, then you can look at your 75.78, your 8 SMA, and then above that is 85.50. If it doesn't, then you have to look for this retest there. You can get all the way down to 62.43. So this could get pretty ugly real quick. Now, here on your weekly chart, you always want to look here at the 200-day, very, very key support. So you're looking at 67.45, and then if that's lost, then we just look here, 65.38. 64.36, and your big retest 63.64. Now, I don't like what's going on here with these SMAs here, because look at your 8 SMA here. See this? Now you just rolling right on back down again here. So your upside, you want to look at 71.20, and then I say if you can get above, then your target is going to be this 21 at 74.43, and then you have 80.49 above here at your 50 SMA here. Now, you had a pretty good draw in crude oil there today. It's kind of mixed on the rest of it. It was pretty flat on gasoline and on distillates and on Cushing. So overall, I don't know, people just aren't doing the driving. So, you need to have really huge draws in gasoline, because that's what you need to do, refine the oil to make the gasoline. So, all right, so let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, here we have natty gas here on your 1 hour and your 4 hour chart. Okay, you can see where it sold down, worked it, came on our back. Now, your key level is going to be here, is going to be 2.632. That's going to be the retest. If you can go higher, then 2.69 that's going to be the breakout. Okay, so on your 4-hour chart, same thing. You climbed up really, really nice. You had a nice big bull flag here, and you run it, and then she just stopped right there and just could not get through where you have this double top like in a place right there. Okay, so see, it really needs to close above the 2.69 for this to go higher. Right now, we just have some sideways action, indecision here. Doesn't really know what to do. The natural gas wasn't really doing a whole lot there today as far as the draws. So not looking really that healthy as of right now. Let's look here on the old daily chart. Okay, daily chart. See, basically just a sideways action here. You're still within those same price channels there, 2.696 on the top, 2.136 on the bottom there. Now you have a couple of green candles, and you're holding this key 8 SMA here. That's always a good bullish sign at 2.47. Now that's going to be your support. Right underneath it, you got 2.36. That's going to be the next support. And then we come down here, you got 2.36 on your 21 SMA, and then your 50 SMA here is sitting at 2.30. Okay, so that's good support area, but you really need to break here to close above this 2.69. If you can, then we start looking to the left here of all these candles here, okay? So then you got 2.78, then we have 2.83, 2.86, and then your big retest here is going to be 3.027. That's what I'd be looking for if you can break above that key 2.69. Now, you just don't want to break above. It needs to close above for that to go higher. Otherwise, she's going to be just like the 1 hour and the 4 hour chart. She's going to double top and then boom, right on down. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock. We'll have the crude oil and the natural gas as usual.